Welcome back. Residents of Agali village in Margaon are agitated over the demolition order issued by the Deputy Collector Margaon. They claim that the cross should not be demolished as it would hurt the religious sentiments of villagers. The agitated locals feel that the act is politically motivated. Deputy Collector's notice says cross has been erected through an illegal land filling and has to be demolished.
This is the cross renovated in the Agali village in Margaon. Locals claim that this is one of the ancestral cross in their village. They are upset with the demolition notice issued by the collector's office. Villagers claim that demolition would hurt the sentiments of the people.
Guys, letter dalten hai 21st हम hearing हा कि वो पुरीस मोड म्हणून जो आदल्यान मानलो तो पुरीस आमच्यान मोडपाक कसो जाता आमच्यान मोडपाक जायना आयत वर चलले आम फक्त तो फुरसाक रेनोवेट केला जे टाइल्स घायले न्यू घायले ते रेनोवेट केला आणि तो म्हणटा आमकां मोड म्हणून पुरीस जाल्यार आम आत कशें मोडप तो पुरीस आम मोडपाक जाता पुरीस आदल्यान मानलो.
However, Councillor of Margaon Municipality Joseph Vaz claims that the act is politically motivated. He charged BJP of being communal.
A political rivalry. कितें last time assembly election हिंगा defeated candidate आसलेले आनी हे लोकांनी ते मनशांक सपोर्ट करूं ना तेका लागून हे पॉलिटिकल इशू ह्या क्रॉसाचेर हे काडटाय कित्याक लास्ट टायम हो जो आमी सगळे गोंयकार लोक जाणाय की BJP इज अ कम्युनल पार्टी म्हण सो हे कम्युनलिझम म्हाका दिसता फातोर्डा चालू जालो कडेन आनी क्रिस्तांवाचेर डायरेक्ट एटॅक केलो कडेन ना हांव क्लियर मेसेज हांव BJPकूय हांव दिवपाक सोदतां की इतले इनजस्टीस जे क्रिस्तांवाचेर जाता आमी टॉलरेट करपा नाय.
The villagers will now submit a memorandum to collector on Monday, 21st May, requesting him not to go ahead with the scheduled demolition. Our reporter from Margaon, Savio Dias.
Upcoming music students of Pilar Music Academy gave a scintillating performance at the annual fusion concert at Ravindra Bhavan. Academy aims at promoting noble art of music. Levi De Silva, a young lad, played the drums and captured the hearts of the audience.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.